You've been lied to about travel, and some of this so-called expert advice is quietly costing you hundreds of dollars every single trip. So before you book your next flight, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Because what you're about to learn could save you money, stress, and even a ruined trip. And one of these mistakes could cost you thousands if something goes wrong. After years of traveling internationally, I started noticing something strange. The advice everyone repeats is often the exact thing that makes your trip worse. People follow it confidently, without ever questioning if it actually works. Let's start with one of the most pretentious pieces of advice out there. Don't be a tourist, be a traveler. Sounds deep, it isn't. To locals, you are a tourist. That's it. And this mindset creates a weird problem. People start avoiding incredible experiences just to avoid looking basic. I've seen people skip world-famous landmarks because they didn't want to look like tourists. That makes no sense. Those places are famous for a reason. Go see the iconic spot. Take the photo, enjoy it. Because skipping something amazing just to protect your ego is the real mistake. Now, let's talk about where people start losing money immediately. Currency exchange booths at airports. This is one of the worst financial moves you can make while traveling. The rates are terrible. You're losing money before your trip even starts. Instead, use a bank ATM at your destination. Or even better, use a debit card that refunds ATM fees worldwide. That one decision alone can save you more than you think. And here's something most people don't realize. Some advice isn't just outdated, it's completely unnecessary, like calling your bank before every trip. That used to matter. Now, not really. Banks already track your behavior using advanced systems. What actually protects you is using multiple cards, turning on transaction alerts, and having the ability to lock your card instantly if something goes wrong. That's real security, not a phone call. Now let's talk about something that gets pushed heavily on travelers. Security gear, money belts, RFID wallets, splash-proof bags. They're not useless, but they're not what actually keeps you safe. Awareness does. Simple habits like keeping your wallet in your front pocket, watching your surroundings, and not leaving your phone on a table. That's what prevents theft, not expensive gear. And if you want the exact tools, cards, and setup that actually make traveling easier and cheaper, I've put everything together in a simple checklist below. Now here's something that stops a lot of people from traveling in the first place. Avoiding destinations based on reputation alone. The reality is, most places are far safer than the internet makes them seem. News focuses on rare negative events, not everyday life. If you believed everything you heard, you'd never leave your house. Be smart, stay aware. But don't let fear stop you from experiencing the world. Now this next one is where people make a serious mistake. They assume their credit card covers everything. It doesn't. Credit cards can help with delays and cancellations. But when it comes to medical emergencies, that's where they fall short. And this is the part people ignore until it's too late. Proper travel medical insurance can cost less than a meal at the airport, but protect you from massive expenses. This is not where you cut corners. And finally, the biggest myth of all. The idea that you can charm your way into a free upgrade. Dressing well, being nice, bringing gifts. That's not how it works. Upgrades are controlled by systems, loyalty status, spending, and airline algorithms. Not your outfit, not your personality. If you want better seats, you need to understand points and miles strategy. That's the real game. So now you see it. Some of the most popular travel advice isn't just useless. It's costing you money, time, and better experiences. Smart travelers don't follow the crowd, they question it. If you want to travel smarter, spend less, and avoid all these mistakes, Hit subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you're serious about taking it to the next level, check out the full system below that shows you exactly how to do it step by step.